So today's topic is immediate post-operative care after your implant surgery. Hello, I'm Dr. Kapil Mahajan from Sudesh Dental Clinic and Implant Center. First of all, let me congratulate you on choosing the best possible treatment for a missing tooth, that is an implant. Few things you need to know about post-operative care once you have done your implant. Immediately after implant is done, at least for a couple of days, say for a week, do not brush that area. You can use a good oral mouthwash like chlorhexidine, but do not use Listerine or alcohol based mouthwashes. About 10 days after, you can start using a brush, but very slowly or gently without putting too much pressure in the surgical area. It would be best if you can also get your cleaning done regularly with your dentist every 15 days, because teeth adjacent to the implant can accumulate plaque, which can be dangerous for your implant. And at least for 3 weeks post implant treatment, you should not smoke. So these are the things that you should take care of once your implant has been done. Immediately post operative surgery that has been done, take care of these things. Thank you.